Hi, I'm Steve, and I'm used to exploring mountains, rivers, waterfalls, historic towns, and more. But today, I'm at Carbone Chevrolet, and I'm going to explore the completely redesigned 2021 Chevy Trailblazer. Now, before I take this for a ride and show you some of the interior tech and features, let's check out some of the new styling on this. Now, I gotta say, one thing I'm very impressed about already is the way this front end looks. Very sharp styling on this. And I do really like these 17-inch high gloss black machined aluminum alloy wheels. Nice stance from the back, dual exhaust. Now let's check out this 1.3 liter Ecotech power plant. Now with 155 horsepower and 175 foot-pounds of torque, you can see why this gets 28 miles per gallon combined and 30 miles per gallon highway. Let's take it for a drive and see how it performs on the road. Press once, door unlocks. I like that key system. Right here, push to start. Very nice Chevy. Very good on corners. Yeah, Chevy's always been known to have a smooth ride, and it's no different in this 21 Trailblazer. Now, Chevy did a really good job with comfort, convenient tech in this vehicle. I do like the premium sound system they've used. Also, I do like the Chevy information display. This has available Amazon Alexa, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Extremely easy to use system. Another thing that I do like is the heated seats that have 3 different settings. Of course, I'm going to keep mine on the top setting. It's mid-fall in upstate New York, so it gets a little bit cold around here. Another thing that's very handy, Chevy went with not just the USB, but the USB-C, and they still have the aux input and the your typical car charger here. And I like the depth for device storage and charging. Nice, beautiful backup camera. Love the screen. Now, I'm a very active person, snowboarding, mountain biking, kayaking. And one thing that's going to tell the tale of this vehicle is some storage space for me. Very easy to open. I like it. Nice and wide. Let's see how easy it is to fold the seats down. Now Chevy says they have a 40-60 split. Very easy, goes down completely flat there. Easy, no center seat belt hanging down in the middle. I like that. That's some good space. I like what Chevy did as far as making everything easy to use, because that's all we really want. A vehicle that's comfortable, convenient, and easy to use. Now for styling, one thing I automatically notice is the paint. It's a metallic dark blue. I really like it. I love how the chrome is tinted a little bit. I think the white caps and the roof work for this model, especially on this color. The interior, you have multiple styling cues going on, from the leather seats having the rugged cloth wrap around it, which goes right into the door panels, and you have the copper color accents around the vehicle. Very smooth textured dash. And as I mentioned before, but I have to mention again, I do like those 17-inch high gloss black aluminum wheels. Now, it's no secret we're in the age of social media, and one thing I'm going to review is how good this is going to look in pictures for social media. I think whether you're at a hiking trail, family members' driveway, even shopping at the mall, it's going to look good. And I know I keep mentioning this, but I really like the way those wheels look. I like the sharp body lines. This Trailblazer is very photogenic. I think you can get a few likes in this thing. Now for safety, Chevy has quite a bit in this vehicle. They have the Chevy Safety Assist, which includes some features like automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert. This also has the driver confidence package, which includes the rear park assist, the rear cross traffic alert, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, and Chevy's famous all-wheel drive system that will be able to get you through heavy rain or heavy snow, as I have driven myself up in the Adirondacks with various Chevy models. This is nice. I wonder if the dealership managers will let me take this to Lake Placid so I can go snowboarding down Whiteface in another month or so. I could definitely take this on a long drive. This is comfortable. The dealership might not get this back. I hope you enjoyed my video of this 2021 Chevy Trailblazer Active all-wheel drive. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share this video. You can hit the donate button in the description link or my YouTube bio, and I will show you more all around the Adirondack Mountains, hiking, kayaking, waterfalls, New York State, historical towns, and our planet Earth. I would also like to give a big thank you to all of the sales staff and managers at Carbone Chevrolet for the use of this 2021 Chevy Trailblazer Active all-wheel drive, which I thoroughly enjoyed.